ready to listen? Okay, so another example, we have x minus 3y is less than 3. Again, step 1, we need to change the inequality in equation form. This will become
X minus 3y is equal to 3.
1 point po yan. Next, after writing, our next step is we need to get the x and the y intercept.
Ito ate.
Okay, class, how to get the x-intercept?
Y is equal to
Okay,
0.
let y is equal to 0. This will become
X minus 3 times 0.
is equal to 3. Then simplify. 3 times 0.
0.
Okay, 0. Then x minus 0.
X.
Okay, so the value of x is what?
3.
3 when the value of y is 0. Therefore, what is the ordered pair? 3, comma. So after getting the x-intercept, let us proceed by the y-intercept. By
0.
let y is equal to, or let x is equal to 0. This will become 0 minus 3y is equal to 3. Takpan na lang natin sa 0. Anong natira? Negative 3y is equal to, divide both side by what?
Negative 3.
By negative 3. Kasama class yung negative sign. Negative 3y divided by negative 3.
Y.
Positive y. And then 3 divided by negative 3.
Negative 1.
And what is the ordered pair? 0,
Zero,
comma. After that, we're going to plot the given. Okay, first we have 3, comma 0. Where's the direction? Going to the 3, comma 0. Right side. 1, 2, 3. This is the location of 3, comma 0. And then 0, comma negative 1.
Down.
Downward.
1.
Connect the 2 points using what line?
Broken line.
Broken line. Very good. Alagyan natin ito ng box. Connect the 2 points using a broken line.
Hindi tama yun eh.
Hindi mali yung
Hindi pala yun.
Tama ata yung ano. Yung
Then after connecting the 2 points using a broken line, our last step is, or second to the last test point, to identify ang plane ang isi-shade. Okay, test point use 0, comma 0. So, isa-substitute natin to saan po? Sa equation or sa inequality?
inequality.
Sa inequality, this will become, what is x? 0 minus 3 times y. Okay, so less than 3. 3 times 0.
0.
0 minus 0.
0.
0 is less than 3. True or false?
True.
True. Where is the shaded part? Above or below?
Above.
Above. Okay, we need to shade the region kung saan nandun si origin.
Di ba sa origin pala rin
Si
yun?
origin. Then, don't forget to write
Solution set.
solution set. Okay, so